Unleash your learning potential with Cornell Notes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fantastic technique to improve your comprehension of nonfiction texts. This is a crucial skill not only for English language learning but for any kind of academic study. The technique is called Cornell Notes. Created at Cornell University, this method helps you organize your notes effectively and enhance your learning. So, let's dive right in. The Cornell Note-Taking Method is a system designed to help you record, review, and retain the information you learn. It uses a unique layout to divide your note-taking into different sections, each with a specific purpose. The note paper is divided into 3 sections. 1. Cues. This narrow section on the left is where you'll jot down questions that will trigger your memory or key terms that are essential to the information. 2. Notes. This is the main part of the page, on the right, where you record the information you're learning. It could be during a lecture, a meeting, or while reading a text. 3. Summary. At the bottom of the page, this wider section is where you will summarize the main points from your notes. This helps you to condense the information and reinforces your understanding. The Cornell method has a 4th step, the review, which is performed later by answering the cues and summarizing the information. Now let's look at how to use the Cornell method while reading nonfiction texts. 1. Preparation. First, you need to prepare your page according to the Cornell layout. Draw a vertical line about 2.5 inches from the left edge of your page to make the cues section. Then, draw a horizontal line about 2 inches from the bottom of your page to create the summary section. 2. During reading, as you read, take notes in the large right-hand section. Try to keep them concise. Capture key points, terms, or explanations. 3. Post-reading. After reading, jot down questions or key terms in the cues section that correspond to your notes. Try to think of questions that would help you remember the information. 4. Summary. When you finish reading and note-taking, write a brief summary of the notes in the summary section. This helps consolidate your understanding. 5. Review. Regularly review your notes. Cover the right-hand side, answer the questions in the cues section, and then check your answers. Also, read the summary section to reinforce the main points. The Cornell Note-Taking Method is very efficient for various reasons. 1. Organized notes. It helps you organize your notes logically and systematically, which can be beneficial while studying. 2. Active learning. By generating questions and summaries, you're actively engaging with the material, which enhances comprehension and retention. 3. Efficient review. The layout of Cornell Notes supports efficient review and self-testing, aiding long-term recall of the information. 4. Versatility. Lastly, this method is versatile. You can use it for lectures, books, documentaries, meetings, or brainstorming sessions. So, that's all about the Cornell Note-Taking Method. It's a proven technique to supercharge your comprehension and recall. So, next time you dive into a nonfiction book or any study material, give the Cornell method a try. It might take a bit of practice, but it's a powerful tool that's worth mastering. Happy studying and see you in the next video.